Summer 2026 kicked off with an unforgettable trip to Walt Disney World. We joined some of our family in Orlando and set out to experience all 4 Disney parks for the very first time. We rode the classics, tried the newest attractions, sampled plenty of Disney treats, met some familiar faces, and discovered magical surprises every step of the way. Whether you're planning your own trip or just love Disney, we are so excited to bring you along for the adventure. So grab your Mickey ears, find a tasty snack, and join the group. Let the magic begin.
Sunscreen, what'd you do with it, baby?
Oh, that smells. Ridiculous is my style.
Over your beard, right?
Are you done assaulting us now?
Yes.
She got pulled out
Is it because of the glasses?
because of my glasses case. There's a magnet on my glasses case that gets us every time. But Katie was smart this time and said, Hunter, why don't I just hold it so there's less stuff for them to go through? Because when I go through security and get pulled out, they have to go through the whole backpack, which is a lot of stuff in my backpack.
Tomorrow morning, we're gonna let one of the boys hold it.
It's day 3 of our Disney Parks adventure, and we have found ourselves at Animal Kingdom. This park feels completely different from the others. There's so much shade, incredible scenery, and it really feels like you're exploring a nature reserve than a theme park. Fun fact, it's actually the largest Disney park in the world, covering more than 500 acres.
Where do I wipe my hands?
On your booty. Just kidding, don't do that.
Between the Kilimanjaro safaris, Expedition Everest roller coaster, and just exploring all the different areas, there was always something new to see. My suggestion would be to try not to rush through this park. It's definitely worth slowing down and taking it all in. It really was amazing.
They probably have to choose like
We're rope dropping.
Yeah, we're
Animal
rope
Kingdom.
dropping. Lion, elephant, pig, monkey, gorilla.
Yep. Melted chocolate donuts in the Avatar line.
Tastes just as good.
If you want to go for a tour on Pandora, don't forget your bag of chocolate donuts.
Half smushed, half melted.
Yeah. I can imagine that this huge line in the height of the day, this line is all the way backed up.
Maybe it's the spray, the sunscreen.
That sunscreen is of the devil.
This is the speed tour. Things moving around in there.
That's awesome. Oh, sweet!
That's amazing.
Reunited and it feels so good. Did you guys see that Avatar?
Did you see the school of the mountain?
Yes. Yes.
Did you see the little things moving in the lab?
Did you run into one of the rails and almost knock your hip out of alignment?
We did.
No.
I did. I wasn't even filming. I was literally just walking. I was like looking around. All of a sudden, bam!
I was like, oh, so I was like, it's cool that everything glows. Then I saw that pole, and I was like, I guarantee people hip check this.
Yeah, that was a very long walk in the line, and I imagine that it's full when it's like the peak of busy season. That would be the longest wait.
Attention visitors. We're about to fly on a Banshee high above Pandora. You'll be restrained.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Yes. Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an EPCOT, or as we call it, a Banshee. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. And I'll see you in there.
They're not doing it. No.
On the right hand side, there you go.
Thank you.
I noticed on 11 things I watched your Disney style. Yes.
Do you want to be on mine or do you want to be on
Great, you've all made it. It's important that you can all see me, so...
Your flight visors. For your safety throughout this entire experience, remain seated.
Thank you. Thank you. You want to do that one again, bigger?
Yeah, because we're done.
So much fun, y'all.
Fisher, did you like that?
Yes.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
It felt like just like the movie.
I'm gonna believe that is
I'm pretty sure I still have a tail.
you don't.
Okay, good. Then what is that? Then what is that?
It's a backpack.
Okay.
Before we left for Orlando, we gave the kids a souvenir budget. This allowed for limited "can we get this" questions at every single gift shop. If they wanted something like a toy or a stuffed animal, then they had to use their budget. My oldest ended up buying one bigger item, and my youngest bought several smaller things. It worked out great, and we'll definitely do it the next time we go on a big trip like this.
Hi, Katie.
Hello.
This is what babysitting at a Disney theme park looks like. You get on a boat and you cruise around Pandora. Babysitting at its finest. Oh, are you ready, Everett? Whoa! Oh, look at those dogs up there. Edith, did you like it? Was that fun?
Yeah,
Daniel can go again if you want.
we all get to go 3 times.
Love it. Hey Baker, when you were younger, this would have been the most awesome thing to be on a train like this.
You must so in love with trains.
You love trains.
And Bluey.
And Blue.
And Blue, yeah. You still love Bluey. I love Bluey.
Wide range of animal adventures. And Conservation Station is the heart of our animal care system.
Tells me you two love playing games. Now, for each game, I'll pick a card from this deck to tell us what game we're playing next. Are you all ready to play? Yeah? Alright, let's see what our first game is. Asparagus! You are all now going to be chickens! Yes! Some people might call this the chicken dance. Wow, I'm back with chicken. Elephants! Yes! Come on, grown-ups, let me see your trunks get in here! Okay. Great octopus, Louie! Let's keep me uppy! Now, it's up in the air! Great job! Whoa! Keep it up in the air! Keep it up in the air! Say it with me! Keep it up in the air! Keep it up in the air! That's right now!
We need to go on road tours for your tour.
Be entering all of these animals up, so if you have any open food, now would be a great time to put a little bit harder to spot. Over on the right, looks like there is an okapi. A lot of people think that the okapi is a relative of the zebra because of their striped legs, but they're actually a relative of the giraffe. They
It smells like animals.
Coming up on our right, looks like there are these ones are female. They're one of the larger species of antelope here in the forest.
Yeah, the other one is all the way up there.
Cool looking tree. This is called a baobab tree. It's also known as an upside down tree. It gets that nickname because for about 9 months out of the year, they do not have any leaves on their branches. So it looks like they are growing upside down.
Oh, I see some zebra. I see the zebras.
I see the zebra.
Also on our left, there are a few Hartman's mountain zebras. They're one of the smaller species of zebra, but they do tend to have a little bit of a larger foot there in the area.
What you looking at, bro? What you looking
I
at?
thought it was black.
Yeah, you saw his butt. That's good. Wildebeest can travel in herds of around 1.5 million during their Great Migration, making them the second most densely populated mammals on the planet. Giraffe only need about 30 minutes of sleep a day, and that 30 minutes does not need to be consecutive. So they will take a bunch of short power naps throughout the day, and that's all the sleep that they need.
Look at those elephants.
Holy cow.
No, those are elephants. Coming up on our left, it looks like there are quite a few flamingos. It does take them about 2 full years to reach that light pink color. A group of flamingos are called a flamboyants. Ostrich eggs are so sturdy that they can withstand the weight of a fully-grown person.
We're so close. That one looks frozen. Let's get Sage right.
Your home is just by simply recycling. The more that we're to help out with conservation while you're here at Animal Kingdom today, one great way to do that is by rounding up any of your purchases to the nearest dollar. All of that money goes right to the Disney Conservation Fund. The Disney Conservation Fund helps protect a lot of the animals that we saw here today, like the elephants as well as the
one in Asia.
Is it good? Yep, that's it. Thank you.
We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the festival of the Lion King. Elephants, we have Sam from Texas. He is going to be our leader today. Sam, arm in the air for the elephant's trunk. Please, Sam, so arm in the air. Yes. And now, let's hear the elephant's call. That's an elephant we will never forget. Our turn. Trumps up. On the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the mighty Pachyderm.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Everyone, long, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You are right on time.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go.
What do we think of Animal Kingdom today?
It's fun. It's like a zoo on steroids.
Did we like the Everest roller coaster?
Yes.
Loved it.
Did we like Bluey?
Yes.
Yeah.
What about the safari?
Safari.
Safari was awesome.
Oh yeah.
And our last ride of the day is the bus, the transport, the Disney transport, and we actually found it. Or it was just about to leave, and we ran to get on it. And look at this. There's nobody on here except for us. This wraps up park number 3. We have done Hollywood Studios. We have done Magic Kingdom. We have done Animal Kingdom.
And now, tomorrow, we do EPCOT. We have about a 16th of a tank in gas in our bodies to get through this. But we're gonna power through.
Is that Pam for Stanley? Oh.
And then,
Totally beat him.
and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna get on an airplane and fly back to Oklahoma. So, anyways, here we go. We're going back to the hotel, get some much needed shut eye, and then go to EPCOT. See you then.